good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ngayong gabing ito ay magluluto tayo ng fish fillet. Actually, first time kong gawin itong fish fillet. First time ko siyang gawin. Sana okay yung magiging resulta niya, guys. Samahan niyo muna ako ngayon, guys.
Yan guys, meron tayong 3 pirasong isda. Isdang bato. Ang tawag dyan sa amin dito ay isdang luro. Malaman siya guys. Masarap. Ang cute pa nga ng kulay rainbow. Rainbow. Paiba-iba yung kulay niya guys. Hintayin lang din ang mag-slice niya guys. First time kong mag-slice. Promise. Start na tayo.
Deep in the shadows, I know it's hard.
Hindi ko alam kung saan ako simulang maghiwa.
So far as the echo, where do we start?
Paano ba ito? First time kong mag-slice din ng ganito. Nahirapan ako kasi yung kutsilyo niya makapal tapos hindi pa matalas, hindi matalim. Kung napapansin nyo, meron pang laman na naiwan dun sa may tinik niya. Pero yun yung katotohanan guys kasi hindi ako marunong mag-slice. Kasi yung kutsilyo pa mataba na ewan.
No.
Laban lang self. Kaya ko to.
Let's come together, lift your spirit for the cause. We should be equal, should be living free. All together, one and all, let's build a dream.
Ayan, dahil hindi ko pa natanggalan ng balat, so kailangan ko siyang tanggalin ngayon. So ngayon hindi ko na naman alam kung saan ako magsimula. Halos madurog na yung isda guys. Ang hirap talaga. Ang alam ko kasi yung ini-slice lang yun na ganyan yung palapad. Pero dahil yung kutsilyo ko nga purol, hirap. Pinalitan ko yung kutsilyo guys. Manipis-nipis naman siya pero sobra naman ding laki. Tapos isa pa ding mapurol. Pero tinuloy-tuloy ko na to.
Just admit that you're just afraid. Let go of all your fears and pride. Stand up beside me. Don't you hide. We can build a better place if we can just find a way. Then we can live a better day. Then we can live a better day. Then we can
Ayan
live a
na,
better
malapit na tayo sa katotohanan guys. Sige lang, push ko lang to. Makaka-raos din to. O diba? Sa susunod siguro, maghahasa na ako ng kutsilyo. Ayan, lapit na guys.
A better day.
So, pwede na yan. Tama na. Yung isa naman. Okay. 1-0. Next na yan. Ayun guys, subukan ko munang balatan bago siya hiwain, bago siya alisin sa buto niya. Baka sakaling hindi ako nga medyo mas mapagaan. First time kasi eh. Sana maunawaan niyo ako sa banda dito. Kasi buong lahat na ito na lang. So guys, tinimplahan ko na siya. Nilagyan ko siya ng toyo, paminta, magic sarap. So ibababat natin siya ng nagdamag. Tsaka yung kalamansi ay nakalimutan ko. So kailangan natin siyang patakan ng kalamansi para mas masarap. Nilagay ko muna sa isang maliit na lagay. Saucer, kumbaga. Para yung buto niya hindi siya maisama doon sa pag-marinate natin. Buhos ko na lang siya guys ha. So after nung mailagay yung kalamansi, ilalagay natin yun sa refrigerator. Ilagay ko lang sa may chiller guys, para na siya magdamag.
Tomorrow.
I can't think nothing better
Ayan guys, gagawa muna tayo ng sauce bago natin iprito yung isda na nakamarinate.
She got the looks, the good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just me and your son's alright, girl. I want nobody but you. 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 Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh,
So, na-slice ko na yung bawang at saka sibuyas. Kaya, ang next natin gagawin ay kukuha lang tayo ng tasa na may konting tubig. Tapos, lalagyan natin ng cornstarch, sugar, tapos konting suka. And then, hindi ko kalimutan yung paminta guys kasi gusto ko, favorite. Mahilig po ako sa paminta.
I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you.
Tansyahan na lang to guys. Kulang pa ng cornstarch. Mix lang natin magluto. And then, may magic sarap. Para pag sinalang na natin hindi na tayo matatagalan pa.
A few moments later.
And guys, gawin na natin yung sauce. Bawang, pa golden brown, yan. Next is sibuyas. Naluto na yung sibuyas, so pwede natin ilagay yung tinimplahan natin. Yan. And then, pag nailagay na yung tinimplahan natin kanina, ihalo-halo lang natin para hindi siya titigas or maganda yung pagkalapot niya guys. Alalay. Hanggang sa lumapot siya.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think you'll have to listen because the sun is up. It's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to
Yan,
give,
malapit nang
something's telling
matapos.
me it's right. When you
Malapit
came to
nang
me, oh, I knew it's
lagyan
you,
lahat
yeah.
yung fish.
The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day, and it's smiling.
Okay na siya, guys. Ready to fry na siya. Magpapainit na lang tayo ng mantika. Okay. Papainit tayo ng mantika sa isang kawali. Yung sakto lang.
There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again.
Yan, na ready na yung mantika. Mainit na. So, pwede na natin ilagay yung
The one to show me
isda.
if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day,
Mainit na
oh,
siya.
yeah, all day. As long as you're
Lalagay ko na yung
boy.
isda, guys. Yung nakaka-advantage pag mayroong mga yung katulad ng Tasty Boy, yung katulad ng kapag may breeding mix kasi hindi tumatalsik yung mantika kapag nilapag mo na yung isda, hindi ka matatamaan. Unlike yung walang breeding mix kasi matalsik siya. Tuloy-tuloy lang, guys. Mahina lang din yung apoy para hindi naman mabigla yung isda. Nasa medium heat lang.
Oh, let me up with a bright smile on now. Put me in the dark, so won't get lost now. To the moonlight, eyes you are real right now. You look into my eyes and felt a feeling, and nothing got it feel like a slim night. Hey, come on, closer. Now I'm waiting for you, but don't hurry, oh slowly. Oh yeah, the moon is around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make a way the twilight, my only, my bestie. Into my life, let me if you want tonight. Little more shining star to the sky, looking high. All the people, you're the one and only you know. Want to be with you, call my name, love. Ooh, somebody else, and that is you. Ooh, falling with you. Not the only one doing me. You already feel it there. Give me a little more dark in the spotlight. Do I wanna know something? You look into my eyes and felt a feeling, then nothing got a dream like a slim night. Hey, come on closer now, waiting for you, but tomorrow is slowly. Oh yeah,
Yun, naluto na, guys. Pwede na tayo magsimulang kumain. Excited na ako matikman yung aking my own discarding fish fillet. Char. Okay, yun yung plating natin guys. Huwag lang kayong magtaka kung bakit kulay black kasi minarinade natin yan sa toyo. So yung isa ay tocino para kay Gia.
Ayan guys, so kain na tayo.
A dream like a moment, fantasy. Baby, I think about you now. Yeah, the moon is around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make up with your twilight, my only, my bestie. You fall into my love. Let me if you want tonight. Let me if you want tonight. Let me if you want tonight.
Sarap.
Let me if you want tonight, tonight. Let me if you want tonight.
Ang sarap niya guys. Guys, kung gusto niyo subukan na magluto kagaya nito, ayan, try nyo lang, masarap siya. Ano lang siya, kulay black yung tsura niya kasi binabad siya sa toyo. Pero masarap. Sana guys magustuhan mo yung ginawa ko. Thank you nga pala sa panonood sa video ito. Okay guys. See you in my next video guys. Bye bye.